Hi, good morning friends. I am Ranveer Singh from Fundamental Research Desk of Sharekhan. We have initiated coverage on Dishman Pharmaceuticals. The Dishman Pharmaceutical is mainly into contract research and manufacturing services. They have another segment called marketable molecules. This segment includes the business of vitamin D. They also produce some solvents, some catalysts, API and intermediates. Both these segments has shown a very good performance during past few quarters after seeing a very bad performance during past 4 years. So the company seems to have back to business after seeing a financial pressure and the consequent impact on the prices during past 4 years. In fact, the Dishman Pharmaceutical has invested more than 1,000 crore during FY8 and FY11. This impacted their balance sheet, and this in turn had an impact on the prices, the stock prices. The another factor of their bad performance during past few years has been the down cycle in CRAMS business. The worldwide, the CRAMS business has been facing a slowdown, mainly due to inventory rationalization by global players. Although the few players in CRAM business in India picked up the CRAM business during past 1 year, Dishman has been lagging behind, mainly because of their focus on capacity building. They have invested during past 4 years more than 1,000 crore on expanding capacities and some inorganic initiatives as well. Performance of past few quarters and their improvement in financial health gave us a confidence in the company, and we believe that these are the enough indicators for re-rating the stock. The stock is currently trading around 6 times FY14 EPS. We believe that the stock at this level, the stock is 60% discount to their 5 years average. We believe that a stock should be re-rated. We have set a target price of rupees 135, which is 8 times FY14 EPS. The Dishman Pharmaceuticals debt is likely to reduce from currently rupees 812 crore. So currently their debt equity ratio is around 0.9, which is likely to reduce to 0.5 by FY14. Their free cash flow is also likely to improve significantly. All these factors will have re-rating impact on the stock, and a stock should trade higher multiple than what currently it is trading. This is all from my side. Thanks.